This year, the best gift you can give is a gift of presence. What I mean by that is being present with your family. So the last thing you want to do is staring out this window, right? And being stuck inside, staring out this window to watch your family, your kids, your grandkids, your brothers, your sisters, playing ball, going shopping, going hiking, enjoying a walk, playing pickleball, whatnot. The last thing you want to do is be stuck indoors while everybody's outside enjoying it, right? Don't you want to be present with your family, or your family wants your presence? And that's the best gift. Now you may be thinking, man, I've got all these chronic problems, right? I can't. That's the reason why I'm not out there, right? I hear you. I got you. Well, here's the thing. Did you know that there is a solution? You can actually restore some of your organ function, if not all of them, right? Now, I'm not talking about taking a pill so that you can temporarily go outside and then you're hurting yourself while you don't feel it. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about actually restoring your organ function. So starting today, so that you can be present during Christmas for your family, and then in 2024, you continue to heal. My clinic, Achieve Integrative Health in Cedar Park, Texas, we do this every single day for patients, thousands of patients, right? Email us, call us, let us find out if we can do the same for you, because we want to help you be able to give the gift of presence to your family this year.